Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the developer console and confirming Steam and CS2 are fully updated. This gives you the tools to connect directly. Once done, open the console and keep a server IP or community server tag handy. You will paste it in shortly. Make sure your matchmaking region matches the server region to avoid long ping spikes, and set your player name now so the server recognizes you immediately. Now type the command you'll use to connect. Next, open the console and use Connect IP port. If you prefer a single-step launch, use plus Connect IP port in a launch option. While connecting, refine the server browser filters, set ping thresholds under 100, choose your preferred game mode, and select specific maps to narrow results. If the exact server is community-run, open the Steam server browser and copy the IP from its entry. This prevents selecting the wrong host. Proceed only when ping and rules match your expectations. Finally, join the server and confirm with the in-game status or net graph that you're connected to the listed IP. If you cannot connect, check local firewall and router port forwarding for the game ports. Incorrect rules often block direct connects. If the server appears full or region blocked, try plus client port with a different port or use a VPN to match the server's region, but be mindful of rules. One troubleshooting tip: clear your Steam cache and retry to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.